through London in soft spring light, petals falling then out of sight. We pass these trees we never see, till once a year they call to me. I stopped a while, then moved along. They come then go, they don't stay long. Strange how a moment makes you see what's always there, but silently. Once a year in bloom, then it's gone too soon. All the things we never knew. And I walk through the light, wishing you were in sight. In a moment I can't get to, in a city so free, full of life, full of spring. There's just one thing missing to me. Once a year it appears, is that how it should be? You never stayed inside a frame, no photograph, no trace, no name, no shadow left for me to keep. Just something quiet following me. So I take these trees, the light, the air, like holding on to you somewhere. Funny how something gone in a day can stay with you and never fade. Once a year in bloom, then it's gone too soon. All the chances we let go. And I walk through the breeze, through the falling leaves, with a feeling I don't know. In a world where I might see you once or twice, still I miss you constantly. Once a year it returns. I don't know when you'll return to me. If I miss the bloom, I wait a year. It comes again, it reappears. But you're not something time can bring. No certain day, no certain spring. Once a year in bloom, in the pale spring light, every petal falls the same. And I walk through alone, though I'm not alone, calling softly your name. In a city that showed me how freedom can be, there's a space where you should be. Once a year it appears. Why not you with me?